What? So you can go show the guys at the work? This is how you do it when you don't know what you're doing. Well, hit the throttle a little bit.
Alright.
Quit playing with the freaking phone.
Throttle. That worked. It's alive. Leaking?
Sure.